So when the news broke that Casanova was missing and persons were theorizing that he has probably committed suicide based on a post he placed on Instagram, I never did do to review it or look at it, because in my head, may I say, you know, this probably is a publicity stunt, because a youth would have been involved in a 1 or 2 publicity stunt down the years. You see me I say, but it is appearing to be a serious case, as the cops have confirmed that he is still missing. So I'm gonna look on the story there, give you my opinion, and I couldn't know what go on in the fullness of the thing. You see me I say, I chat about you in my circle. Soon forward. Before we proceed, smash the like button to pieces, leave a comment, please share the life out of this video, feel free to subscribe for more content, remember to turn on your notification so as to never miss another video.
Let's do it.
Casanova reportedly missing after suicidal post on Instagram. Upcoming dancehall artist Casanova is missing according to multiple reports. The Know You Know DJ was last seen last week. Checks made on Casanova's Instagram account sees a seemingly suicidal post which states, "There comes a time when you have to lose your life to live your life," he wrote 5 days ago. That's about 8 days ago now. "And lose all in order to win the one thing that matters most: freedom." Casanova started his career while attending Arden High with dancehall artist Alkaline, as they formed a duo called Alkaline, which continued after they graduated. Casanova says he wrote several hit songs for the Vendetta DJ, including 1, 2, 3, Gone Away, and Things Me Love. However, the two later split due to creative and personal differences. So many persons would have used titles on YouTube as Alkaline's best friend is missing, and them something. Them and Alkaline and the best friend again. I want to youths seeing. So now we're seeing where the cops are confirming that he is actually missing. And it has say your cops confirm Alkaline former affiliate is still missing. Former Alkaline affiliate Casanova is still missing almost a week after his disappearance. The Constable Communication Unit CCU says the upcoming dancehall entertainer has still not been found several days after he was reported missing by his mother. According to the artist manager and friend Sheldon Lincoln, aka J-Bad, he is very concerned, as it is quite unlike the entertainer to disappear without communicating with friends or family. Concerns were raised over the entertainer's safety after he posted a troubling message on his Instagram account saying that it will all end soon, rather die a free man than live in bondage. Casanova is best known for being a former affiliate of dancehall superstar Alkaline. See, so that is what the police are saying at the moment, peeps.
Beat and teach, so beat and teach, so beat and teach. Beat and teach, beat and teach, beat and teach, beat and teach, beat and teach.
So peeps, the thing look serious. Actually, you understand me I say. As me say initially, me did that theorize, so this is probably another publicity stunt. You understand? Because a youth here would have been around publicity stunts before, or would have probably been involved in publicity stunt before. You see me? So I didn't really and truly take it serious. I not lie to no peeps. You understand? That is why I never did look at it initially. Zane, and the truth of the matter is, an artist is an artist. So I'm not sure I take him serious like that neither. Based on how him coming at the business and how him do some things and say some things. You understand what I say? So I hope him alright. I hope him just decide for just take a look at hiatus. You understand what I say? And there's some way I try to clear my head on them something. You see me? And there's nothing untoward, and he will return to his home and his family safely, and he will be okay. So I hope say everything good, and him just, you know, upon a little mission for just, you know, find back himself and them something. But the situation at the moment is that person are theorizing that he would have probably committed suicide based on the Instagram post. Some person are theorizing that he has been kidnapped. Some person are theorizing that he's probably even dead. I cannot speak to any of those 3 scenarios. I'm just working off what I have seen in the press. Say him missing. Some people are say the post where I make is just confirmation. Say him kill himself. I don't know. You understand? But the police are confirming that he's still missing after he was reported missing by his mother a couple of days ago. So hopefully that one will work out well, and hopefully the artist is okay wherever I'm there, and the artist will go home soon and we can move on from here. So you understand what I say? So fingers crossed on that one, your peeps. Yo, people don't worry about you anyway you're there. You see me? So you need to push out. You see him? I'm out. Thank you for watching the video. Drop a like and a comment down below, and consider subscribing if you haven't done so as yet. Until next time, walk good.